Impact Biomedical stock sitting at 48 cents, 26% down. Where the heck are we heading next? 26% down is a bit of a stretch. I've made a lot of receipts on IBO, not just this. I have more videos, this is in the Discord, but I have more videos made than anyone else in the space, with the most proof documented with 39,000 videos like this. And yeah, like you can see, I was very open-minded in hopes that, yeah, maybe the price for one last time gave me that confirmation. Look at this. I mean, you can see it with your eyes. All I did is just consolidate it and just have one break. And what the hell is this? That's not what we signed up for. Since no rules got met, obviously I never looked to take it up. Now we're here, and more likely than not, this thing is just about to keep getting cleared. All I want to say is that, yeah, maybe, my bad, maybe if there's like a big catalyst or some crazy breaks above like 136, am I going to be shifting my bias? But as of right now, these lows are what I'm expecting to get cleared. I'm not saying I'm selling, I'm saying it's my 2 cents. It's obviously not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.